Welcome to Hands on Chemistry with me, Mr. Hands. So 7.1.1 crude oil, hydrocarbons and alkanes. Crude oil is a natural resource that's found trapped in rocks. It's the remains of ancient biomass, which is mainly plankton that's trapped in mud. So crude oil is a mixture of many hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons are molecules that contain hydrogen and carbon atoms only. Now alkanes are a type of hydrocarbon, and they are a homologous series. Homologous means the same, and they have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. You must know the first four. You need to know the names and the formula. This is methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8, and butane, C4H10. Make sure you know that before you move on. Thank you for watching Hands on Chemistry for all your chemistry needs.